Sorry for the shaky cam, guys. It's freaking cold outside. Whoa! What in the heck? Whoa. All right. This is awesome. Yo, this is cool. Area 15, guys. Play loud music. They have like stuff everywhere. Look, it's two stories.
Cool.
Those cool little art installations you can poke your head through. I guess the merch stores back there. All right, guys, this is what is inside. This is so wild. Here they have a nice, it reminds me of like Avatar, this tree.
Yeah.
But it's a bar, and get your drink on here. Alrighty, folks, we're here inside the Omega Mart. Wow. Everything here is fake and it looks real, but you can actually buy everything that's in here. Pretty much these are like plastic props, or everything's just props in a way. That's crazy. Nice souvenir stuff.
Yeah. Camels. Home style pigeon, dream of mushroom. That's funny.
For beauty. That's hilarious.
Mitosis. Tooth slime.
Wait. It's real. This is real deodorant.
Crazy.
Say what?
Oh, can we
Tatted
get
up
some
chicken.
tattoo chicken?
Look at
Meat
that.
cakes.
Brain made of yarn. Whoa.
Oh, it's a coin purse. It's an avocado.
Alright, here's all the knockoff cereal you can find here. Crisper Crunch, fruited loopholes.
Fruit D loopholes.
Wow. Biz Easy.
Oh, those. Dram cake mix. Oh, there it is. Ready? Wow. Wow. Oh, no. Oh, I'm glitching.
We're going ludicrous speed. We've gone planned. We get to go up. Let's see what's up. Oh my. Holy cow.
Wait, watch your head up here.
Oh, hello.
Hi there.
Hello.
Yeah, made it. Welcome to corporate.
Oh.
Corporate. Yes. Corporate. Wow. Exactly what it sounds like.
Okay. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa. What do you think?
I think it's cool. It's kind of trippy. Kind of giving me space vibes.
For real? Whoa. What the heck is this?
It's a mirror.
Oh, it's a mirror.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's bizarre. What's up, guys? Oh, it's us.
Oh, it's taking a picture.
We're dancing in here.
Oh, I don't like it.
I think it goes until we leave. Go, go, go.
I don't like
go.
it. Oh.
Oh, say what?
Yeah.
We just entered the break room.
We grow together like a field of alfalfa. We know what to do. Our customers need us. We follow the pre-approved service procedures. Together we roll with the
Boxes. What's in the...
It's giving me like cult vibes.
You never been in that one?
Oh. We're that way, or- This place is so
Huge.
huge. But this is also like,
It almost
Crazy
feels like
cool.
never ending, and it's really cool. Like we're stepping into different universes through each door. I love it.
now what's this way? Whoa, looks like we're going to a machine. There's a little tunnel. Let's go. Oh my God, I gotta squat the whole way through. What the heck? Ooh. That was annoying.
Whoa.
Oh, okay, this is just a sitting area. Over here, we get to make some music.
Okay. They're little Roomba workers. I need to get mine a construction hat. That's so cute. Are you a scientist? Are you ready to go down another hole?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I never thought I'd be crouching this much. Oh, I'm crawling. Oh shoot.
We love an interactive museum. Or I don't even know what this. Oh, I got army crawl this big.
We're back in Omega Mart.
Ah, no.
All right, let's go back.
Reverse.
Go back
We're just. Oh God.
in. Ugh. Jesus. Ugh. Okay. Whew. Oh look, there they are.
Hey, what are the odds? I don't want to crawl again and it lead us back to the mini mart, Mega
I
Mart.
know.
I say take one for the team and find out.
Whoa, do you climb?
Whoa!
You climb.
Go for it!
Oh, what the heck? Oh, it takes us back to that room.
Oh.
They shut the door on us.
Oh no!
Oh, almost slipped. Whoa. You know, I figured we can go through this door. It just takes us back. Oh, this door we couldn't open.
Oh!
That's interesting.
No wonder. They don't want people climbing down. I'm out of breath.
Interesting.
Whoa.
Whoa. Going to Wonderland. It's Omega Mart!
No! We can never leave!
What is this? Was it a nice picture spot?
This is my office, my corner office. I'll tell your bliss somewhere else. You're
That was so cool.
The interior plan is out by Be stronger than this, Arthur. Who were you? But that long ago, I understood it as a boy. The transactional nature of
Okay, so that's the tent that we were in earlier. We had an army crawl. That's funny. Oh, and there's the Alice in Wonderland.
Look at this, $20. I was like, look at this, and you're just like, walking all this way. It's got a little hand.
You got me a flower with a hand in it. I've always wanted one.
So Omega Mart also has a bar inside. If you really wanted to have a drink here, you can. Inside. There's plenty of bars outside as well. So Area 15 also inside has an arcade bar. Down here is obviously the arcade. And then upstairs on the second floor would be the bar. Also there's a bar right there.
Why is the games closed? I want to play
why
games.
is everything closed right now, huh?
Looks kind of dead. I don't know, just playing.
Yeah, and they have it closed off. What in the heck?
We're losing money. We don't want to.
All my Gundam fans out there, F91. Ooh. So right outside of Omega Mart, they also have an ice cream store, their merch store, some like a cool backpack shop over here, another little miscellaneous items. But it's cool. Look at it, Kappa Toys.
It's so squishy. I still have a lava lamp. Mine's green. Oh, this is the one I have.
I still have the crayon lava lamp.
You do.
You won that where?
It was New York or something like that, or MGM, one of the two. Alrighty, folks, we are leaving Area 15. That was such a cool experience. Omega Mart, and then everything outside. Well, inside, but outside of Omega Mart. All that was so cool.
It was. It's definitely nothing I've ever seen before. So many
Yeah.
photo ops. It was so trippy. I loved it.
It was wild. So I recommend this place.
Oh, yeah.
It's such a once in a lifetime experience, really.
Yeah, it is a tad on the pricey side, but because it's so different than anything I've ever been to, it's definitely worth it.
Yeah. So it doesn't Yeah, so it costs money to get in there, as in you have to purchase something in order to get access into it. You know, so if you only want to do the Omega Mart, it was $60 per person. But you know, it is what it is.
It was worth it, I think.
Well, that ends today's video, so we'll catch you in the next experience. Bye.